a narcissist young girl who would do anything to get on top. Already they're denouncing him. They're denouncing her. They're like, no, you're not Yoruba. No, you're not Igbo. What about those young girls who've been starving, who've been washing their skins in order for them to go partake in this? And I'm like, chocho. Laigile chocho. We've been telling you about this to say we hate nobody. We hate nobody. But for the person who breaks the law or who is not representative of the culture and the identity of young people and the people of South Africa cannot be allowed to represent South Africa. And that's where we were standing on. We stand on business in here. Now, sinigele, we gave you sinpile yena nomuntu. Zamayang leo berekang leo natabe. We've been telling you. Bagay bupel tuzi ka meriri ya otlubera. She's South African. Bagay bulerato khanyawa. No, stand on morals and ethics. There she is. That she shared the same sentiments. That's the question.